Hello folks, welcome back to Trend Top. The 2022 Tesla Model Y has already been announced and it receives a major update that is level 5 autonomous driving. Giving the millennials just what they want, the automaker brought the Model Y to sit between the Model 3 and the Model X, and ever since it's been flying off the shelves. The 2022 Tesla Model Y is expected to get a base MSRP of about $51,090 for the long-range spec, and the performance spec is expected to be priced at about $61,000. Keeping up with the tradition of not following model year ideology, the 2022 Tesla Model Y will look the same mostly both inside and out, and yet pack on some new tech to mark its arrival. The price of the new 2022 Tesla Model Y have been bumped up thanks to the new additions. However, the new Model Y is expected to be made available by the mid of the year 2021. Thanks to the brilliant minds working at Tesla Incorporation, Elon Musk has announced that all Tesla cars will have level 5 autonomous driving for the year 2022 Tesla lineup. To put it into perspective, you can actually just sit back and relax and tell the car where you want to go, and it will take you there, without any human intervention whatsoever. 2022 Tesla Model Y price and feature updates. The 2022 Tesla Model Y will continue to be offered in two trim options, long range and performance. The 2022 Tesla Model Y long-range spec is expected to carry an MSRP of $51,090 and serves as the entry to the lineup with most of the offerings as standard. The Model Y will remain mostly unchanged for the 2022 model year and will offer the same practicality as before with 7 seats. For the extra price of the performance trim, you do get more performance-oriented upgrades like faster acceleration and better brakes. Along with all excitement, you still get the practicality. However, the range does take a hit. The 2022 Model Y performance is targeted towards the more adrenaline junkie audience. Customization is not Tesla's forte, in a manner of speaking. While most car makers offer various trims for interior materials and accessories, the 2022 Tesla Model Y offers tech upgrades and a chance to get additional features when they are launched. That being said, there is still room to customize it with aftermarket accessories, like a buyer who customized his Model Y to be an off-roader. 2022 Tesla Model Y engine and performance. The 2022 Tesla Model Y will be powered by the same dual electric motors as the 2021 Model Y. Each of the motors powers up one set of wheels. The total power output from the motors stands at 346 horsepower along with 389 lb-ft of torque. This power has been tamed by a single-speed direct drive transmission, and you will not see much change here either. Owing to this potential, the 2022 Tesla Model Y long-range 0 to 60 miles per hour timings will remain unchanged at 4.8 seconds, while the quarter mile will be dealt with in a mere of 12.7 seconds. With the performance spec, the 0 to 60 mph timing gets further reduced to 3.5 seconds, while the Model Y long range makes ado with a top speed of 135 miles per hour. The performance spec takes it further with 155 miles per hour. The Jaguar I-Pace is the more powerful option here and continues to show the behavior in the 0 to 60 mph run. However, it loses out on the quarter mile part of it and comes in the second spot there. add to the almost 20 grand higher price tag, and you might find everything you need to be housed within the Tesla itself. 2022 Tesla Model Y MPGe figures and range. The Model Y offers 129 mpge in the city, while 112 mpge on the highway and 121 mpge combined. It comes with a 75 kWh battery pack as standard, which translates to an overall range of 326 miles after a full charge. And if that is not enough, you can charge the Model Y from empty to 80% in 30 minutes at any Tesla supercharger station. The Jaguar I-Pace has tried to offer the best that it could, but in pursuit of going electric and retaining its luxury roots, it fell short. It offers a considerably lesser range than Tesla and also comes at a higher price, which makes it worth only for those who want to feel a Jag in the electric outfit. 2022 Tesla Model Y interior. The interiors of the 2022 Tesla Model Y will also continue to remain the same as they always have been. The new Model Y will also get a full glass roof over your head to give that panoramic feel, and also furnishes leather upholstery to justify its luxury outlook at a budget price. The cabin of 2022 Tesla Model Y has a true minimalist vibe to it, with a 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system in the center of the dashboard. To work it more serene, even the AC vents has been obscured. The seats of 2022 Tesla Model Y are slightly higher and the dashboard a little lower so that you get great visibility on all sides, while the standard seating setup is 5 seats. You can also opt for the 2022 Tesla Model Y with a 7-seater setup as well. The front seats offer great bolstering for the occupants, and a driver for any height and build can easily fit into it, as demonstration event for the Model Y showed clearly. The rear seats of 2022 Tesla Model Y are roomy and comfortable in all situations and offer ample headroom that even the tall ones will not bump their heads when the ride goes over road imperfections. The ride will continue on its current trajectory and remain the calm, composed, and comfortable self in the time to come. And the 2021 Model Y will only set the stage for the added comfort of the Level 5 autonomous driving that will arrive in the 2022 model. The maximum trunk capacity of the 2022 Tesla Model Y can open up to 68 cubic feet, while the Jaguar I-Pace comes with fixed seats mostly and offer lesser cargo space. That being said, the Jaguar I-Pace certainly has a more luxurious outlook to the segment and offers you the lifestyle of a king, all the while making sure that it does not harm the environment. 2022 Tesla Model Y exterior features. Glance at the Tesla Model Y and you might pass it off like a jumped up Model 3. The headlamps are a perfect reminder of the Model 3 design language, while the bodyline is influenced by the Model Y. And the BMW GT series, on that note, it's not as sharp as the Beamer, and it actually comes with a lot of softer lines, kind of what you see in a hand-sketched Fluidic. Riding on 19-inch wheels, it rides higher than the Model 3, but is still quite close to the ground. As you move to the rear side, you will find the heavy influence of the Model X, especially the tail lamps. There is not a lot of customization available either beside the color palettes and the choice of wheels, all of which are costly upgrades. In retrospect, you can call the Model Y cute and agreeable rather than aggressive and dominating. For 2022, you can expect a similar kind of treatment, and if the brand finds it within itself, it will possibly take some cues from the aftermarket off-roading mod and bring a dedicated off-roading model, but that is still far-fetched for now. Only time will tell what the brand has in store for the buyers. 2022 Tesla Model Y safety features. If you can ask anyone about crashes in a Tesla car, most of the time they will only talk about Tesla autopilot trial period crashes. When the driver is in control, there have not been any known crashes, and that is because of the safety suite and that the Model Y offers in order to keep its occupants safe. With the automaker in high gear to move towards autonomous vehicles, you will be able to experience them firsthand via OTA updates if you splurge the extra 10 grand on it. While autopilot is standard and is much better owned and practiced, there are also additional safety features that are implemented. The following are those: 360-degree side, rear, and forward-facing cameras, forward-facing radar with a range of 160 m, 12 ultrasonic sensors in the entire periphery, Tesla autopilot, cruise control, lane departure warning, stability control, traction control, brake assist, emergency braking, lane change assist. Along with all those above safety features, you will also be able to equip the 2022 Tesla Model Y with full self-drive capability for an extra $10,000. For the money, the full autonomous adds even a further list of following features. Navigate on autopilot, which will drive automatically from highway on-ramp to off-ramp, including interchanges and overtaking slower cars. Auto lane change, ability to recognize and respond to traffic lights and stop signs. Automatic driving on city streets. 2022 Tesla Model Y launch and expectations. The Tesla Model Y does a marvelous job of bridging the gap between the Model 3 and the Model X. It does so by taking the winning cues from both and incorporating it into cohesive design, and everyone loves and respects. Add to that quintessential reliability and safety factor of the brand, and the 2022 Model Y will only further the cause of the automaker as the most valuable automaker in the world. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.